Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to know if someone is invisible on Discord. To get started, open up Discord app on your device. Once you're there, you will see somewhat like this. Go on the Discord server and at the top, click on the three dots. Here you can see how many people are visible and how many people are invisible right here. So this is the only working method to see if someone is invisible on Discord.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.